Built an app but wondering how to deploy it? Using RapidNative, you can now make your Lovable ready project and deploy it on the App Store. Let me show you a quick walkthrough of how this process looks like, and let's dive in. So I'm going to prompt Lovable to make something cool. Make me an event booking app like Book My Show. It should allow users to an event according to their convenience. Let's build it. It's still building and I'm waiting for it to come. I've gotten my project demo on Lovable, and as you can see, it has built what I had asked it to. And then I go here, download my code database, and it's gonna give me a zip file which I am gonna copy. After you've copied the zip link of your code base that was given by Lovable, you can come to this page, Lovable to RapidNative on RapidNative, and then you get this option of uploading or pasting. So you are gonna upload your file. I have this file open. I'm gonna upload it, and it's gonna build my app. Upload received. And when it's building, you're gonna receive an email. Once it's built, you're again gonna receive an email, and the next steps of deploying it will be in the following video.